Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Engineer Cinco from CLNP. Today guys, we'll discuss to you regarding circle inscribed in a triangle, okay, under plane geometry. This is just a continuation guys, our discussion under plane geometry, okay. So I have here a diagram. As you can see, I have here a triangle with three sides, okay, A, B, and C, and circle inscribed in a triangle having radius R, okay, having radius. So our objective here is to study on how to calculate the area of a triangle and the radius of a circle, okay. So our basic equation or standard formula for the area of a triangle where a circle is inscribed in a triangle, E sub t, okay, is equal to R times S, okay. Okay guys, take note, this is a simple equation on how to find the area of a triangle where the circle is inscribed in a triangle, okay, where R is equal to radius of a circle, okay, radius of a circle, okay, and A sub t, okay, area of triangle. And third one is S. S is equal to a semi-perimeter of a triangle having three sides, okay? Semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter of triangle, okay, which is equal to summation of three sides over 2, okay? A plus B plus C over 2, okay? So just take note guys, the formula or the equation on how to solve the area of a triangle where a circle is inscribed in a triangle, okay? Now, to understand further regarding this topic, I will give you some example problem related to this circle inscribed in a triangle. Hey guys, we're back. As I said earlier, I have here an example problem regarding a circle inscribed in a triangle in order to understand, okay, on how to use the equation what we studied earlier. Okay, as you can see here guys, the problem states that a circle inscribed in a triangle, both sides dimensions are 10 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and 14 centimeter, okay. Now, find the radius of a circle, okay, first requirement. Second is the area of a circle. And last one is the circumference, okay. So we have here a diagram guys, showing a triangle where the circle inscribed in a triangle, okay, knowing with an R, okay, radius. This is the center of the circle, okay, origin with an R dimensions, okay. So A is equal to how much A given here? Guys, A is equal to 10 centimeter, right? So this is 10 cm, and B is equal to 12 cm. Okay, guys, and C is the third side. How much? 14. Okay, this is 14 cm. Okay, so solution guys. in order to calculate the requirements, okay, A, solving for radius, okay, solving for radius. Okay. How you'll find the radius, guys, for this particular problem where the three sides are given? As we studied just now, area of a triangle, okay, this is our standard equation that we studied, okay. Area of a triangle is equal to radius times S, okay. Now, in order to find the radius of the circle, we need to calculate the S, meaning to say the semi-perimeter of the three sides, okay, and the area of a triangle, okay. But take note, guys, we cannot solve the area of the triangle because we don't know yet the radius of a circle. Now, this time we will apply the Heron's theorem, okay, on how to find the area of a triangle using Heron's, okay, theorem or equation. Area of a triangle is equal to square root S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. Okay? This is the equation, guys, for Heron's theorem, what we studied before. Okay? So where S, okay, where S is the semi-perimeter of the triangle, where S is equal to A plus B plus C over 2. Okay. So substitute, guys, the three sides. How much the A? A is 10 centimeter. Okay. As you can see there. Okay. 10 plus how much the B? B is 12. Okay. 12 cm. And the third side, C, is equal to 14 over 2. So, it's equal to, how much is one? 10 plus 12, okay, let me calculate, guys. 10 plus 12 plus 14 equals 36, okay, divided by 2. So, S is equal to 36 divided by 2 is 18, okay. What's the unit, guys? Centimeter, okay, because we're using the centimeter units of the three sides of the triangle, okay, 18 cm. So this is the value of semi-perimeter. Now substitute this value to the equation. The area of the triangle, okay, it's equal to square root S 18 times S minus A. How much A? 10 centimeter, okay, times S minus B. 18 minus B, how much B? 12 times S minus C. How much C? 14, okay. So we continue somewhere here, okay. Area of triangle is equal to, how much is one, guys? Let me calculate this expression, okay. So square root of, copy this one, 18, okay, times 18 minus 10 will be 8, correct? And 18 minus 12 is equal to 6. Okay? And then 18 minus 14 is equal to 4. Okay? So, how much is 1? Let me calculate, guys. 18 times 8 times 6 times 4 equals 3,456. Okay? Therefore, area of a triangle is equal to square root of 3, 4, 5, 6. How much? 58. So there are 58.79. The unit is square centimeter. Okay? So this is the area of the triangle, guys. Now, since we already calculated the area of the triangle, we can substitute this value to our original equation, where area of triangle is equal to the product of the radius times the semi-perimeter. Okay, so area of a triangle is equal to radius times S. So how much area? There are 58.79 is equal to R, radius. And how much the S? You already calculated S, which is equal to 18, meaning the semi-perimeter of the triangle. Okay, this is 18. So, over 18, so cancel. Therefore, R is equal to, how much, guys? 58.79 divided by 18. So there are 3.27. Okay? 3.27 centimeter. So this is the answer for the first requirement, radius. Okay? So here R will be, okay, R is equal to 3.27 cm. Okay, guys. So the first requirement is already calculated. Now second one is the area of the circle. So B, okay, solving for area of circle. Okay. So area of circle, A sub C is equal to, what's the equation, guys, on how to find the area of a circle knowing the radius? Area is equal to pi times R squared. Correct? So this is the standard equation on how to find the area of a circle using the radius. Or also, if you don't, if the given value is not in radius, you can find also the area in terms of diameter. Okay, where the area of a circle is equal to 5d squared over 4. So equals area of a circle is equal to 5 times, what's the radius, guys? 3.27 squared. Okay, so area of a circle is equal to, how much is 1? 3.27 squared times pi. What's the value of pi? 3.1416, okay? 3.1416. Okay, so there are 33.6 square centimeter. 33. 0.6 square centimeter, meaning this area, this circle, area of the circle is equal to 33.6 square centimeter. Okay. Now, third requirement is the circumference. How long is this circle? Okay, meaning the circumference, how many centimeter? So C, so solving for circumference. Okay, circumference of circle. Okay. So guys, as we studied before, the circumference of the circle is equal to pi times the diameter, or pi d. But here we are given in terms of radius. So we can write also the circumference of the circle, C is equal to circumference, so to pi times 2r. Okay, twice the radius. Pi d, d means the diameter. Diameter is twice the radius, or 2r. So we can substitute, guys. Pi times 2. Okay, how much the radius? 3.27. Okay, centimeter. So circumference is equal to, how much is one? 2 times the radius, 2 times 3.27 equals times pi. The value of pi is equal to 3.1416. So there are 20.55. Okay, 20.55 centimeter. So that's, guys, the circumference of the circle is equal to 20.55 centimeter. So I hope, guys, you understand our example problem on how to solve the radius of a circle inscribed in a triangle. And a part of that radius on how to find the area also of the circle and circumference of the circle. So again, guys, kindly like and share and subscribe our channel para mas updated pa kayo sa mga future videos namin na isi-share regarding plane geometry. Okay, so again, thank you for watching and have a nice day.